Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're talking about the 2025 iPhone SE4, Apple's latest attempt at delivering a budget-friendly iPhone without sacrificing too much of the flagship experience. Let's dive into the features, design, and whether it's worth your money. Starting with the features, the iPhone SE4 finally gets an upgrade with a larger OLED display, replacing the outdated LCD from previous models. This means better colors, deeper blacks, and an overall more premium viewing experience. The notch is here, but it's smaller than what you'd see on the flagship models. Face ID replaces Touch ID, marking the end of the home button on SE models. The chip inside is Apple's A16 Bionic, which isn't the latest but still offers top-tier performance. Expect smooth gaming, fast app launches, and years of software updates. The battery is improved, giving you longer screen time, and MagSafe finally makes its way to the SE lineup for better wireless charging. Looking at the exterior, the iPhone SE4 ditches the old iPhone 8 style design and now resembles an iPhone 13 or 14. Flat edges, aluminum frame, and a single camera on the back keep it simple but modern. It's available in classic colors like Midnight and Starlight, with a new blue shade added to the mix. The back is glass, which means it supports wireless charging but is also more fragile if you drop it. Apple sticks with a single-lens 12MP camera, but software improvements and better image processing help it capture sharper photos and improved low-light shots. Unfortunately, there's no ultra-wide or telephoto lens, so if you're into photography, this might not be the best choice. In conclusion, the iPhone SE4 is a solid upgrade from its predecessor. You're getting an OLED display, Face ID, MagSafe, and a modern design, all at a lower price compared to flagship models. However, it still lacks a high refresh rate display and multiple camera lenses, making it less appealing for power users. If you're upgrading from an older iPhone or just want a reliable Apple device without breaking the bank, this might be the phone for you. Let me know in the comments what you think about the iPhone SE4. Would you buy it or is it still missing something? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone updates. See you in the next one.